Hey you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel and Merry Christmas Eve. My name is Caitlin. If you're new, I wanted to get a video out there today just because I do upload every single Sunday, and if I upload this week and next week, I'll have done 2 entire years of consistently posting every single Sunday. So I'm really proud of that fact, and I wanted to ensure a video was up. So today I have one of my favorite topics to talk about, and that is Bath & Body Works. I recently placed a couple orders from Bath & Body Works. They were having a bunch of sales, and I thought, why not kind of combine all of those orders into one video and show you guys what I got. I know a lot of you really love Bath & Body Works just like me. A lot of you are very familiar with these scents, so I'm not going to go into too much detail about them, but it's always fun to see what other people get at these sales. So if you like Bath & Body Works, if you like travel, if you like fashion, if you like honest product reviews, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and stick around. So first I want to show you what I got from Candle Day, which I know was a while ago, but I got a fresh balsam. This is my favorite Christmas candle of all time. It's just such a classic Christmassy scent. It smells like you're on the Christmas tree farm with Taylor Swift. It smells so good. I also love the more minimalist packaging that Bath & Body Works has come out with now for their candles. I also got Marshmallow Fireside. I always burn this candle every year in January after the holidays. I think it's a very nice transitional scent where you still want something kind of cozy and slightly Christmassy, but you don't want it to be like as overt as a full-on Christmas tree. And this really just does smell like burnt marshmallows with like a hint of vanilla. It's very good, and it's not too sweet. I also picked up the Christmas Place, which I am burning currently. I couldn't get my other favorite Christmas scent, 'Tis the Season. They were all sold out online. I do like the Christmas Place. It's a little bit sweeter than 'Tis the Season and less of that apple scent, but it's a pretty good dupe, and I would definitely purchase it again. I got this scent for the spring. I got Sun Drenched Linen. I love this scent. Again, it's very clean. If you notice, one thing about me is that I love very clean scents. And this really just does smell like the best, most comforting laundry detergent and your clothes hanging out on the line on a summer day. I love this one. Now moving on to what I got at the body care sale. I believe body care was all like $4.95, so I stocked up. I actually got Nick a bottle of the shower gel Ocean for Men for Christmas. Or no, I think I got him bourbon. Yeah, I got Ocean at first, and then I decided to do the bourbon. So I got him that. I also got myself Jolly Gingerbread, which I'm using right now, so I'm not going to show you guys, but that one smells so good. And then again, I just stock up on these shower gels. I literally use them like every day, and I was totally out of shower gels since the last semi-annual sale. But I got Ballet Nights, which is a scent I've never had before. It just looked very sophisticated. And again, I placed this order online, so I actually had no idea what some of these smelled like. So it was a bit of a gamble. This one smells like very similar to 1,000 Wishes. I feel like it's almost that exact same scent, just packaged in different packaging. But I'm not complaining because I like that scent. I got Lovely Dreamer. I've had this one before. I feel like they frequently put this one on sale. I feel like it's discontinued, but every now and then it pops up on these sales. And this just smells like floral, maybe a little hint of berry. The keynotes are Fluffy Musk, Clean Woods, White Iris, and Fresh Bergamot. I would say I'm not really getting a super clean scent from that. It must be like the bergamot overpowering the other stuff. I got Winter Candy Apple, which I forgot. I don't love this scent, but I got it anyway. And this does smell very like appley. And I think it smells like a little bit less sweet than I remembered, so maybe they changed the scent a little bit, because it smells more like I forget their apple scent that they used to have. It smells more like that rather than being like super sweet. I also picked up Snowflakes Cashmere. I remember loving this scent. I think I had it like 2 years ago, and it's just like a very sophisticated musky vanilla scent. Yeah, it's like a very clean vanilla scent, which is right up my alley. And the fragrance notes are vanilla cashmere cream, caramel woods, and frosted clementine. I'm not getting too much caramel in there, so I would say that's not dominating too much. But I love the packaging. It's very aesthetic. I feel like if I was doing like a winter wedding, I would want this kind of a vibe. And then I got Into the Night. I recently had this one in a travel shower gel and I really liked it. It's a very musky, sophisticated scent. It kind of reminds me of the YSL Black Opium perfume. Oh my gosh, it's like that perfect musky, slightly sweet, slightly vanilla-y caramel scent. And the fragrance notes are raspberry noir, amber crystals, velvety rose petals, creamy patchouli, and mocha musk. So those are all like very different fragrance notes. I really like this scent. And then I did pick up some of these Breathe Deep eucalyptus and lavender shower steamers. I've never had these before, but it was such a good price and I want to get into the shower steamers because I don't really take baths anymore. So I feel like this would be just so nice to have like a really vibey shower. And I like how they're individually packaged too, so they won't get like gross like sitting in your bathroom. Oh, this smells so good. Oh my gosh, I need to use these ASAP. So that's my little Bath & Body Works haul. Again, Merry Christmas to all of you, and I'll see you back here next week. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. I'm going to be coming out with my 1 second a day again this year, coming up soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.